All right, folks. Yeah, you can see that I'm coming in close here. It's the glare. I had to make sure that we're recording, so you get a little bit of face in the camera. It's Clayton Wilchowie here, and guess where I am? I've been negligent in my duties coming out to check out the state of the Starbuck Dam, but here I am. Came out with Dad's beer, doing some adventuring, and I guess the question on your minds is everything okay at the Starbuck Dam? Well, we've got some news to share. So, Starbuck Dam seems to be flowing nicely in this start to the melt. But if you look out across from the dam, all the bush that was right up to the dam has been chipped on out. And here I am on the other side of the dam. Got a big pile of wood chips here. So someone has definitely wanted, and I'm going to imagine the RM, some nice spring access to the Starbuck Dam, something that a vehicle will come into. They've chipped a road all the way up from the actual road over here. So maybe there's some big things in store for the dam. I know I shared during COVID where the dam broke. We had a repair. What if we're going to get a brand new dam? Now I am inciting rumors here. I have absolutely no knowledge of what's going to happen, but it seems to be some excitement is going on at the Starbuck Dam. So there you go, folks. I left enough time to go by so that you were probably worried sick, but a little drama is okay sometimes. And we've got some nice news going on here. Happy Easter. Enjoy your long weekend. This is Clayton Wilchowie reporting out from Starbuck Dam.